In the last 8,000 years, 45% of the total forest cover has disappeared, mainly in the last decade due to human development and other natural causes. Biodiversity or biological diversity has a wide variety of wildlife and vegetation, and India has 8% of the total species in this world, that is 1.6 million. And flora in India, there are total 47,000 species of flora in India, and India comes in the 10th position in the world and in 4th position in Asia on the count of number of species of flora. And there are total 15,000 species of flowering plants in India. They constitute 6% of the total in the world. Now fauna in India, there are total 89,000 species of fauna in India till discovered, and the number of species of birds are only 1200 species, that is 13% of the total number of species of birds. And the number of species of fishes are 2500, and they constitute 13% of the total species of fishes in the world. And if you take the report of last decade, about 10% of flora and 20% of fauna in India are in the threatened list, and about 15,000 species of plants are considered endangered. And on the basis of IUCN, that is International Union of Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, the normal species are the species which are not considered in endangered or extinct species, and endangered species are the species which are on the brink of extinction, and vulnerable species are the species whose population has become so low that they can be considered as endangered, and endemic species are the species whose population are found only in certain places, and extinct species are the species which are nowhere to be found now.